In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Deliveroo driver. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or want to hit the road full time, signing up to deliver with Deliveroo can be a great option. Let's break down the application process starting from the very beginning. First things first, you'll want to head over to Deliveroo's official UK rider website. You can find this at rider.deliveroo.co.uk. This is where everything happens, so open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL to get started. Once the website loads, look for the option that says Apply Now. It should be prominently displayed, inviting you to kickstart your new journey. Give it a click and you'll be on your way. Next, Deliveroo will ask you to choose the main reason you'd like to ride for them. Maybe it's the flexibility or the opportunity to explore your city. Whatever your motivation, take a moment to make your selection. This step helps convey your interest and aligns your expectations with what Deliveroo offers. After that, you'll need to select your preferred work location. This means choosing the city or area where you'd like to operate. This choice is crucial because it will determine where you receive delivery requests. Make sure to pick a location that's convenient for you, perhaps close to your home or a place you're familiar with. Now it's time to fill out your personal information. You'll need to provide your full name, email address and phone number. Be accurate here, as these details are essential for further communication and verification processes. Once your personal info is entered, you'll choose your delivery method. Deliveroo offers flexibility, so decide whether you'll be using a car, scooter or bicycle. Each option comes with its own set of requirements and benefits, so think about what suits your needs and capabilities best. Next, prepare to upload some necessary documents. Deliveroo needs to verify your identity and ensure everything is in order before you hit the road. You'll need a valid ID, proof of your right to work, a driver's license if you're using a vehicle, vehicle insurance, and bank details for payments. Make sure all your documents are clear and current to avoid any delays. Finally, follow the prompts as they appear on the screen. Deliveroo's application process is designed to be intuitive, guiding you smoothly from one step to the next. Just keep an eye out for any additional instructions or requests for more information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to becoming a Deliveroo driver. It's all about taking that first step, so why wait? Dive in and explore this exciting opportunity right at your fingertips.